Hello, everyone. I'm Dr. Grancy. Welcome to the most awaited podcast. Welcome, More Than Smiles podcast, where two dentists from two different states share a conversation about life and beyond dentistry. Hi, Dr. Tanuja.
Hello, Dr. Gansi.
Let's start with the scrolls that never ends. On for what reason we are here.
Yes.
So, Dr. Tanuja, when did you realize that Instagram is not just for scrolling, but it actually builds the career?
Okay. So basically, I was in the final year. In the final year, I was just scrolling and I'm searching for some tips, some notes, and like some of the little creators I have saw. Oh, they helped me a lot. Then I thought, okay, this platform is not just for scrollings and for memes. It is actually building up the trust for the patients, for students like us. Yes.
Okay, so how do you manage this Instagram, Reels, and clinic practice? How do you manage all this?
I don't shoot on like clinical days.
Okay,
I shoot on mostly on weekends or any random day I shoot and then I script accordingly.
okay.
I shoot the videos and I script it. And then I edit it.
So, what do you think that social media is a power or a pressure? How do you feel?
Actually, it is a power more than a pressure. It actually how we take.
Okay.
Ah.
So, it's basically when did you get to know that it's a power for you, for yourself?
Okay, though social media is helping me a lot.
Okay.
Yes. So if I want some clinical tips or some like how to manage the patients, how to manage emergencies, there is everything on social media.
Okay.
Yes.
So, do you think that dentists are underrated in the social media
Yes, a little bit.
compared to any other profession?
Yes, a little bit. I think
Okay.
we have to work more on this for spreading the awareness to the patients, to students who are thinking like, no, I don't want to do BDS and they are not getting MBBS. So yes, a BDS is a way more on a broad.
Okay. So, do you want to give any lesson or we can say any tip to the new budding dentist regarding to social media?
Yes, I want to like give a message for the young dentist.
Yeah.
And it's okay if you don't know everything.
Okay.
Take a small steps and through consistency, you will build your brand. Look, we have.
Okay.
Okay, I want to ask you a few questions. Can say, if an dentist should give a superpower, what it will be?
Yeah. If I had that superpower, so I would like to have ki every minor or major surgery from myself should be pain free and swelling free.
Oh, that's amazing.
So I want to I want to relieve that fear from the patients that oh this surgery is there or oh, I don't want this extraction. I want to remove that fear from the patients.
Okay, what inspires you? What inspires you the most in this field?
Okay, the satisfaction,
Oh,
the satisfaction after root canal treatment.
after finding that canal.
Yeah, after finding that canals, the satisfaction after that wisdom tooth extraction or any firm tooth extractions. So basically, I think that dentistry is about satisfaction, and it makes us happy after every treatment.
More than the patients,
Yeah,
it makes us happy.
and yeah, basically it's about it.
Okay. Yes. Okay, Ransil. What one habit that you picked up during your BDS then it still sticks with you?
It's basically consistency that matters. From my BDS day to this clinical days, it's basically consistency that matters a lot. Because I think personally, I think that consistency is the key to success. If you have one habit and if you're consistent in that, you will excel. You will definitely excel. And that I do believe.
Totally, actually. Yes.
Next.
Okay. Okay. That which one branch is more excites you in dentistry? Like, मुझे करना है मेरा खून खोल रहा है. I want to do that.
Okay. It's basically oral surgery.
Yes, definitely.
The most passion.
And you see that bloody hands.
Yeah. The most passion I have in that subject only. Because it excites me more and it has a different level of satisfaction. It has a different level of that.
Remember the third molar.
Yeah, removing the third molars and the one that are more difficult cases, and this excites me the most. You ever had a funny incident over chairside?
Actually, I don't have such, but my senior is telling her story that one patient come to a clinic with a broken tooth.
Okay.
Actually, he's having a open pulp chamber. She is asking कि आप इसको चिपकाने के कितने लोगे? So she is explaining like हमें पहले root canal करना पड़ेगा. We have to diagnose. We have to take an X-ray. What the actual case it is. She is like, how much you will charge? So she told the basic charges. And she was like, simple ही तो है, दांत ही चिपकाना है. So I think we have to spread more awareness to our contents, to everything.
Yeah, actually, the social media is, I think that we should make
It's a powerful tool to build a field.
making this dentistry more powerful. This helps.
Yes. So we thank you, Dentist Craft and MedStudy Gold, who give this platform a dental spotlight.
We thanks the whole team of the Dental Spotlight that they gave us
This platform to grow, to grow, and for the more collaborations. We thank you so much.